Hello, this is a tutorial on Word Problem Practice 5.5C1, multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Let's take a look at problem 2 here. Robin has read 3/4 of the book. Mark said that he had read half as much as Robin. What fraction of the book has Mark read? Well, these are, the key word here is where it says Mark has read 1/2 as much as, which means he has read less. So we're going to multiply that. This is how much Robin read, and the other guy only read half of what Robin read, so we just multiply these numbers together. We can look to see if there's anything we can cross-reduce. We can't, so we just multiply straight across, and we get 3/8. So it looks like Mark read 3/8 of a book. Okay, and scroll down. How about the bicycle one down here? A bicycle is on sale for 2/3 of its original price. So we're looking for 2/3 of, it was 354. So of means to multiply. So it's not, if it was full price, we would just take and put a 1 times 354, right? But it's 2/3, so it's going to be less than that. So we're going to multiply. We could just put the 354 over 1 like that, and then we can multiply. So we take 2 times 354. Well, let's think about that. 2 times 300 would be 600. 2 times 54 would be 108. So this is going to be 708 over 3. All right, so we've got to divide that. That means 708 divided by 3. So let's just go here, make a little division thing. We have 708. We're going to divide it by 3. 3 goes into 7, goes in there 2 times. That's 6. We got 1 left over. Bring down the 0. We've got 10. 3 goes into 10. Goes in there 3 times. That's 9. You got 1 left over. Bring down the 8. We've got 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times. That's 18, and we zero that out. So our answer up top there is 236. So it's 236 bucks. See if it makes sense. Here's full price, 2/3 of it. Very good. All right, and we'll do one more. Leave you 5. A radio station spends 1/4 of each 24 hours on public service announcements. How much time is spent on public service announcements each day? Well, it's 24 hours in a day, so we have 24. And we're going to multiply that by 1/140th. Okay, so we can take and put that over a 1, make that into a fraction. We really can't do anything here, 1 and 1. We can't reduce that, but we can do some reducing here to make our multiplication a little bit simpler at the end, or reducing. We can divide this by 8. That would be 3. We can divide this by 8, which is 5. So we can multiply that out. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. It's 3/5 of an hour. 3/5 hour of an hour, I'll write down. And I think that's fine. If you wanted to take 3/5 of 60 minutes, you could multiply that and actually figure out how many minutes. Let's just do it for fun. 3/5 of 60 times 60. Again, of means multiply. Put that 60 over 1. We can divide this by 5. That's 12. We can divide this by 5. That's 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 12 is 36. You have 36 over 1. This is 36 minutes. Another way of answering that. That makes sense. Think about it. If it was 1/24th of a day, the radio station is 1/40th of each 24. So if it was 1/24th, it would be 1 hour, and this is 1/40th. So it definitely has to be less than an hour. 36 minutes is less. 3/5 of an hour is less. All right, good luck with the rest.